Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the Simple Car Guy channel. In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at 6 hidden features on this Fiat 500 Abarth that you might actually find useful. Now, of course, if you purchased the car brand new from a dealer or you completely read the manual, some of these items are going to be already known to you. However, if you're like me and you bought it used without a manual in the car or you just don't want to be reading the entire manual, it's a book. This video is going to be for you. I'm going to show you a few cool items on this car that not everybody is really aware of. So let's get to the video and see what those items are. When I first got into this car, I was surprised to find that there isn't a lock or unlock button. Now, I looked in the center console here, I looked on the handle, I looked in the armrest, in that door corner over there, where it's typically found on BMWs, just in case, but I couldn't find it. Which brings us to the hidden feature. The first hidden feature is that you can actually lock and unlock the car from inside the vehicle by just pushing on the handle. Now, this is something you wouldn't normally find unless you push on it or read the manual, since you can't really tell that, this is a button, but it is. So I thought it was pretty cool, and that's my first item. The second useful feature is the follow me home lights. The way it works is when you shut off the car, you can push the brights lever away from you and then just pull towards yourself. For every pull, you add another 30 seconds of your headlights staying on after you shut off the car. This is very useful if you work late and you'd like to illuminate your driveway or the street while you're walking to your house or apartment. The third useful feature on this car is when you have your windshield wipers on and you put the car in reverse, it will actually automatically start the rear wiper without you having to press anything. I thought it was a very cool and useful feature that not a lot of other cars have. So that's definitely number 3 on my list. Have you ever had to wait for somebody in the car but didn't want to run the car the entire time just to listen to some music? Well, in this Fiat, you can simply press the power button and your radio will turn on even if the car is off and even if your key is not in the ignition. The radio will still work. Next on my list is the hidden toolbox or air pump, depending on which car you have. So if you move your seat forwards, there's actually a toolbox in there. Let me pull that out. There it is. So a little tool pack that includes a jack and some, I don't know if there's anything else in there. I never actually opened it. It's kind of funny because this car doesn't have a spare tire or wheel, so I'm not really sure what you would do with those tools, but at least there's something. I heard that certain cars will actually have an air pump, so you can pump up your tires with that gelatin stuff that you pump in the tire if you have a small puncture. Still pretty cool. Check under your seat and see what you got in there. And for my last hidden feature, have you ever tried to lock your car with the door open? Let's see what happens. Do you see that? When you try to lock the car and you have the trunk the hatch or the door open, the car will blink at you 5 or 6 times to alert you that the car is not fully closed. I thought that was pretty cool, and you don't see it on a lot of cars. Some cars may beep or blink once, but this one will actually blink at you for quite a few times. Well guys, that is all that I have for you today. I appreciate you watching and I really hope you learned something new. If you know any additional hidden features, don't forget to post those in the comments. I'd be really interested in learning about those, as well as other people that watch this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.